Hello guys, this is Unreal. Do you guys ever think of scrapping emails from Google, Facebook or any other site? You did, right? You even Googled for it and came across some paid tools that cost you money, but you weren't sure enough if that's gonna work for you or not. That's why you are hesitating to purchase it, right? Well, don't worry. Today I'll guide you how to scrap emails easily with a free tool called Shane's tool. It is very useful tool. Let me show you. First go to google.com and type Shane's tool and just visit the first link, that is intelsw.com. Well, first of all you have to just do it. Click this button and press this button and drag it into your bookmark bar. Okay, it will be automatically installed. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, now go to Google or any other site that you want to scrap emails from. In my case, I want to scrap emails for this artist in USA, and that's having gmail.com or Gmail account. Okay, right? You just have to click on Shane's tools and click on this scrap emails button. See, it will automatically scrap emails for you. Let me show you one more example. Click on second page and click on Shane's tools again and click on scrap emails. See, it again scrapped all the emails available in this page. Okay, let me give you one more example. Let's change this search result first. Make it dentist. Be it suppose California, and you are looking for Hotmail address. Okay, right? Now all the search result will show Hotmail address, California, and dentist in this thing. Like, say dentist, California, and this is the Hotmail address. And then go to Shane tools and click on scrap emails. It will scrap all the emails for you. This is it for today's video. Hope it will come handy for your project. I would really appreciate your like and share for this video. It will help me grow more and it will encourage me to upload new content like this to help you guys along the road of my YouTube journey. Thanks and cheers. Have a good day all. Bye.